Digibyte Holders doing a very big mistake at this time. DGB Coin Holders, if you are do this mistake, so you are in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you will be getting some profit from the Digibyte. Let's move on and let's see what is the current price of Digibyte, what's the price is occur, and what is the mistake. Let's see, my friends. My friends, if you look the latest price of the Digibyte at this time, so 0.07072 USD dollar is the latest price of Digibyte DGB coin at this time. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the DGB, so absolutely the last 1 hour pricing as positive, last 1 day pricing as negative, and last 1 week pricing is again negative. Only the last 1 hour pricing as positive, my friends. The previous changes occur in the Digibyte is wrong, but only the last 1 hour pricing is positive. So now, as you know what, my friends, it is the end of month, and in the end of month every cryptocurrency's price falls down, my friends. Every cryptocurrency is falls down, but now in the end of month the Digibyte start moving upwards. So let's see what's going on. You can see here, my friends, if you look the latest update, latest price chart, so maybe this time falls down, my friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you decide to see Digibyte at this time, so you are in the loss, because the price change occur in the last 1 month as negative 45.67%, my friends. On the other side, if you look the next move of the Digibyte, if you decide to hold, so maybe there's a lot of chances they take a jump in the future, my friends. And my prediction about DGB coin is 100% positive. I believe in the start of June maybe they take a huge pump and they will give you good amount of profit. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold, not to sell. Don't decide to sell, it's a time to hold. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.